Hi everyone, Sharanu Sharanartigalu. This is last unit in EVS subject, class 5th. The unit name is Simple Machines, unit number 9. Let's we start about the simple machines. So are you ready to listen this chapter? Okay, fine. Let's we start detail. A machine is a device that makes work simpler and easy either by reducing the effort needed or by making it easier to use effort. So machines save us a lot of time and energy. So a simple machine or a machine is a device that makes work simpler. How it makes? Very simpler and easier either by reducing the effort needed or by making it easier to use effort. So machines save us a lot of time and energy. For example, you are opening a screw from wall or in the table. So which thing or which device can be used to remove the screw? We are using screwdriver. A screwdriver is a simple machine device that makes us work is very simpler and easier. So it can be opened very easily. So without this simple machines we cannot open easily the screwdriver. Is it clear? Fine. Okay, fine. Listen detail. When we think of a machine, what comes to mind is a complex arrangement of wheels and gears and rods and all sorts of greasy moving parts. So we are thinking, see, the complex arrangement of wheels are there, complex arrangement of gears are there, complex arrangement of rods are there, and complex arrangement of some greasy moving parts are there. So we can see those are the very complex arrangement, but we can do very easier work those all by using simple machine. A basic machine is quite a simple thing. Some are worked by hand, others are powered by electricity, some have solid moving parts, some have liquids, while some have air. So like that we can see the many kind of machines we are utilizing in our daily life. So those are very complex, but that machine can be opened by a simple machines or repaired by simple machines. Clear? Fine. Next you see, some machines are so simple that we do not think of them as machines at all. For example, here given in the figure or pictures are there, just you can observe. First one is spanner is there, needle, opener, a pair of tongue, knife, nail cutter and a screwdriver. So these are using in our daily life. We can say that these are the simple machines. A machine is a device that make work simpler and easier. Okay. Next you see, some machines are so simple that we do not think of them as machine at all. These are the examples which we are studied now. Okay. Clear? For a machine to function has to be applied at a convenient, which type of the things we can need to open or to repair the things. Clear this slide? Next. Now there are 6 kinds of simple machines used by in our daily lives. The pulley, the inclined plane, the screw, the wedge, the lever, the wheel. So these are the different kinds of 6 different kinds of simple machines we are using in our daily life or daily lives. So first one is the pulley. Can you see the pulley? Rope is crossed or over that pulley. It is a simple machine. It consists of a wheel which is fixed to support. The wheel has a grooved rim over which a rope is passed. the load is tied to one end of the rope and the other end is effort is applied at the other end. So, this is the one of the very important simple machine. We can say this is pulley, and this pulley we can use to draw the water from the well. So, one end of the rope is tied by the pot and another end is we hold by the hand. So, when you can draw water from the well, so it can become very easily through the pulley. So, this is the good example of a pulley. Next we go for inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat surface that slopes. When we place a plane at an angle to a surface, it becomes an inclined plane. So, this is used especially when heavy things have to be loaded or unloaded. Using an inclined plane makes the work much easier as relatively small force is needed. See here, a person is taken a loaded box and transferring or keeping in the lorry or truck. So, he has made that inclined plane by using wooden thing. It is easier to push something up a slope rather than lifting it straight up. So, in the olden days, the pyramid of ancient Egypt were built with massive earthen ramps, slabs, dragged huge stones weighing tens of tons, almost 150 meter up the slope to the top. In the olden days, you know that the pyramid is built by using big stones they made into to climb the pyramid construction. So, they made like a inclined plane. Okay. Next we are seeing that is a screw is modified version of an inclined plane. It is actually an inclined plane in a circular form. It is a sharp pointed metal pin with a thread wound around it. It has a slotted head. It is used to join or hold things together being rotated in a under pressure. So, here this is a very familiar simple machine we can use to connecting door, or we can connecting by the wooden things or for using for the furniture. So, it has that circular form and inclined plane. So, when you can under pressure, the screw go inside the wall or inside the table. Clear? Next, here we are observing that one more device is there, that is Archimedes screw. Water is sometimes lifted from a river to irrigation. A field with a device is called Archimedes screw. So, each time the screw turns, it lifts water a little bit higher up inside a tube. It was very popular in the Egypt country or Egypt. So, this is one end of this Archimedes screw dipped in the water or river. So, when you can rotate, so it can be bringing water from that inclined plane and other end can be pour the water. So, this method is used for irrigation in the Egypt country and ancient time. Next, you see the common nut bolt used for fixing parts of engines and machinery together work in the same way. Okay, are you observed here? Three pictures has given. One is screw, another one is Archimedes screw, and next one is nut bolt. Next, you are observing weights. All sharp things have a special shape which makes our work of either cutting an object or purchasing a material easier. The wedge is a special kind of inclined plane. Place two inclined planes back to back and we get a wedge. Okay, example axe. We are using this axe is having that wedge in shape and it cuts very easily to the wooden things. The wedge is a special kind of inclined plane. Place two inclined planes back to back and we get a wedge. So now I am showing that some pictures are there given here which are having the wedge shape. Those are the axe, knife, sickle, saw and needle. Next we can see another example of the simple machines are lever. Lever, there are three kinds of levers with a different arrangement of load, effort and fulcrum. These are the three kinds of leveler. This is the very important of the machine. We can lift and we can open, we can repair the anything. The force which the man is using to lift a package is known as the effort. Okay, clear? Next, the effort put at one end of the rod is transferred to the other end of the which was pushed under the load and the work gets done. Here the fulcrum is between the load and the effort. And this can be used to we are using the scissor are there, cutter is there. Then what is the difference are there here? Effort is one end, load is another end. Between we can see that fulcrum. So this is the what you say that first example of our first kind of the lever which can be using in our daily life. And the remaining levers are there. Those are the we are discussing in the next class. So thank you my dear students. ಶರಣು ಶರಣಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು.